Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently made a global pitch for climate justice in his address at the UN General Assembly. And in keeping with that focus, the Urban Development Ministry has issued a fresh set of environmental guidelines for constructions in urban areas that builders must comply with. Oinatam Ojha reports.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's slogan for climate change has once again brought the focus back on reducing carbon footprints by building green residences and office spaces. The Urban Development Ministry has issued a fresh set of 30 stringent green norms for builders to comply with. Tightening the noose further, the ministry has stated that possession certificates would be issued subject to compliance.
The challenge sometimes which happens is that, such initiatives should be made as part of the sanctioning of building norms. So once those building norms are about to be sanctioned, it becomes easier for a developer to actually conceptualize everything from the drawing board. A retrospective thing which, for doing retrospective fittings for all these things, it is more costly. Second, it is not a perfect fit which happens. So it is just you have to just fulfill those norms, so you do it.
Builders in urban areas will now have to ensure regular energy audits, 1% of connected applied load of power to be met from renewable energy sources such as photovoltaic cells or windmills or hybrid mode, 1 tree to be planted for every 100 square meter of land area. When trees are cut or transplanted, compensatory plantation of 3 trees for every tree cut to be ensured. Rainwater harvesting plant to be designed providing 1 recharge bore for every 3,000 square meter of land area. A minimum of 30% of area to be left unpaved to facilitate groundwater recharge and reduce heat island effect. Sewage treatment plant to be installed to ensure treatment of 100% solid waste generated. As per government data, the building sector uses 40% of electricity, 30% of raw materials and 20% each of water and land. Since 2004, when the first green building came up in Hyderabad, India has come a long way in building green homes and commercial spaces.
पहली बिल्डिंग 2004 में बनी थी, वो सिर्फ 20,000 स्क्वायर फीट थी। आपको जान के बड़ी खुशी होगी जब मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, आज हमारी 300 करोड़ स्क्वायर फीट बिल्डिंग बन गई हैं, ग्रीन बन रही हैं। उसमें करीब आधी रेजिडेंशियल है। तो हमारा जो अभी काउंट है वो करीब 50% जो 150 करोड़ स्क्वायर फीट घर बन रहे हैं, ग्रीन घर बन रहे हैं। बाकी 150 करोड़ स्क्वायर फीट में ऑफिसेज भी हैं, एयरपोर्ट हैं, हॉस्पिटल हैं, होटल्स हैं, मॉल्स हैं, ये सब मिला के करीब 150 स्क्वायर फीट हैं।
As per latest data, Pune tops the list of certified green buildings with 30 green residential buildings, followed by Mumbai at 15. Delhi NCR is third with 11 residential buildings including 3 independent houses. If a building is planned, constructed and maintained following green norms, it can help you save up to 50% just in terms of energy costs.
Going green is high on the agenda. The government is already pushing for rooftop solar panels amid talks of the government focusing on generating 100 gigawatts of solar energy and 60 gigawatts of wind energy. In New Delhi, Oinatam Ojha, NDTV.